Hey guys, Lady Cebuana here in New Jersey, and welcome to my channel. Since I already had to show my recipe, which you can click below in the description box, yep, click. Now it's time to have this spicy chili sauce, or some call it chili paste. Siomai won't be complete without the kick of the chili sauce. Me personally, I always have chili sauce on stock since this is one of my favorite condiments. I can make it a sausawan to different dishes. I can have with a fried chicken, fish, noodle soup, anything, kumbaga appetizer. So let's start with the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. 2 bulbs whole garlic, oil, olive oil because it has high heat capacity when frying, chili, 10 to 20 pieces, it depends on your preference if you want it too spicy, salt or soy sauce, magic sarap, well, any seasoning that you prefer, a tablespoon of sesame seed oil, and we have the optional, the sweet chili sauce. Heat the oil in the pan. Add the minced garlic and stir it constantly to avoid burnt parts. I switched to wooden spoon, guys, since the oil is getting hotter. Just stir until the color turns to golden brown. That's the only secret to this recipe. Then add the ground chili. Be careful with your eyes, it's too spicy. Then again, just stir it. Stir, stir, stir. Season it with magic syrup, soy sauce, or salt. In my case, I add a dash or two of magic syrup. I'm fine with it already. Add a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. There you go, guys, it's ready. You have to take it out from the stove before it's gonna be chocolate brown. The reason why, because the oil, even if you took it away from the stove, the oil is still gonna be cooking the mixture, so that's why you have to take it out from the stove. I put it in 2 jars. The other one, I put a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce just to have some kind of sweetness in there, and it tastes good for me. But anyhow, the plain mixture itself is good enough for me. So I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Every week I have new recipes. Thank you.